What's going on here? Another live stream here at Dapp Center. I'm your host, Nero. Get this fixed here. Boom. Oh no, I didn't mean to exit out of that. Oh well, that's okay. Looking at my Robinhood account. Yeah, buddy, I'm super excited about AMC. Dude, they got this. They announced a special dividend. Shareholders will receive one share AMC Preferred Equity Unit, the APE, for every one share of AMC held by close of business on 8/19. That's according here to Robinhood. So yeah, I've been going heavy on AMC. There's been a lot of pumping excitement on AMC trying to get this. Which I could go into further details later. Right now, I want to get into what is happening here in the crypto space, here in the crypto communities. We got a lot of stuff going on. A lot of, yeah, I feel like crypto's like getting canceled a little bit. Not all of crypto, but like a big chunk of it. There's been another lawsuit, guys. Another lawsuit. Mark Cuban. Yeah, Mark Cuban. He is the CEO of the Dallas Mavericks, the owner of the Dallas Mavericks. And yeah, he was also on Shark Tank. He's pretty well known. He's a multi-billionaire. He's being sued for duping investors with the crypto Ponzi scheme. The suit claims that 3.5 million Americans lost over $5 billion in cryptocurrency assets. So you guys know, obviously Mark Cuban, being as huge as he is, very successful businessman, he partnered with the now bankrupt crypto platform Voyager. So the lawsuit is around because of his partnership with Voyager. In fact, the Dallas Mavericks and himself partnered with Voyager. They actually had like a 5-year contract or a partnership deal. They're trying to get everybody to sign up on Voyager, and now Voyager is bankrupt. Says the class action filed lawsuit in federal court in southern Florida on behalf of millions of investors, alleges that 3.5 million Americans lost over $5 billion. That's with a B. Using Voyager. Voyager temporarily suspended all trading and withdrawals on the platform on July, shortly before the filing bankruptcy in New York on July 5th. Listing both assets and liabilities between $1 billion to $10 billion. Voyager users are waiting to see if they will get their money back. Yeah, these guys are still waiting for their money, dude. They can't even get their money back when the company comes out of this bankruptcy. So yeah, this is a very sticky situation for Mark Cuban to be in, because he was a believer in Voyager. He thought it was a great platform. He started telling everyone about it. He even got his own company and his own franchise, the Dallas Mavericks, involved in Voyager, and it imploded, and it's not looking too good now. Cuban's NBA team and Voyager CEO Steven Elric are also listed as defendants. The lawsuit said that Cuban, Elric, and the Mavs should pay the victims back. The Mavs announced a 5-year partnership with Voyager in 2021 that made it the team's first cryptocurrency brokerage and international partner. Fans were given a limited deal where if they deposited $100 and traded at least $10 by the end of the month, they would get a $100 reward. The influx of new users was a great for the Voyager, added to the wait list. So obviously there's a tons of people that signed up for Voyager because of these promotions that they had going on. Cuban and Elric, as will be explained, went to great lengths to use their experience as investors to dupe millions of Americans into investing, in many cases their life savings, the lawsuit claimed. Cuban did not immediately respond to the Dallas Morning News request for comment on the lawsuit. So yeah, this is an article from the DallasNews.com. The suit said Cuban and Elric personally reached out to investors individually and through the Dallas Mavericks to induce them to invest in the deceptive Voyager platform. Moskowitz said his firm has heard from hundreds of Voyager investors who signed up after seeing Cuban endorse it. Some investors lost hundreds of thousands of dollars, he said. That is crazy. Hundreds have called and said The only reason I got into Voyager and crypto was because of Cuban. He's the only person I'd respect enough to put my life savings in these accounts. That's bad, guys. That is really bad because people are relying, they're trusting these people that they follow on social media, and now it's backfiring. It's not looking good. What up, guys? Thank you guys all for tuning in. We are live here on YouTube and Twitch. Hi, everyone. Thank you guys all for tuning in. Make sure to like and subscribe if you have not done so already. Yes, we are live on YouTube and Twitch. What's up, guys? Welcome. Thank you guys all for tuning in here. If you guys got any cryptos or NFTs you guys would like me to discuss, feel free to mention those in the chat, or any stocks, metaverse, gaming, whatever you guys have. I would love to know about it. So yeah, let me know down in the comments, guys, what do you guys think? Do you think Cuban deserves this lawsuit? I'm curious to know. Let me know what you guys think. Here's the thing is I feel like Cuban was also misled here. I mean, you know, how did he know that Voyager was going to do this? Just because he partnered with them, you know, it doesn't... But at the same time, like, I could kind of see... I see both sides of the story here. It says Cuban was going around doing a roadshow with Elric, saying that he did an investigation and that it was a safe investment. Ooh, that's not good. And we just couldn't figure out how he could say that. I mean, in a very quick minute, our experts are saying it's a scam. So what's going on here? Something was very strange. That's what Moskowitz is saying. While promoting Voyager, Cuban said he personally invested in it, the suit said, but Moskowitz said he hasn't seen any documentation in the bankruptcy case that shows Cuban lost money. Oh, that is not good for Cuban. That is not looking good. It could be that he did lose money, Moskowitz said, but we've asked for documentation and haven't seen anything. That's very troubling. Cuban hasn't disclosed whether he's paid to promote Voyager, the suit said. The company's executives also made false and misleading deposit insurance claims to increase investor confidence in the product, the suit said. However, the Federal Reserve and the Federal Deposit Insurance Corp sent a joint letter in July telling Voyager to stop making those claims, saying they likely misled customers. Yeah, Mark Cuban fears a nightmare SEC crypto registration rules, but remains bullish on crypto. Mark Cuban is still saying he's very bullish on crypto, by the way, guys. Moskowitz says it's like a Ponzi scheme. When someone says, I want my money back, they tell you, well, it was used to pay Peter, and now we have no money to pay you. It sounds like a Ponzi, yeah. But the thing is this is actually how the whole banking system works. We live in the whole banking system is actually a Ponzi scheme. It's called a fractional reserve banking system. What that means is do you put in your money, let's say you put in $100 in the bank, that bank can loan out $90. They only have to keep 10% of your money. They only need 10. That's the law only requires the banks to hold 10% of your money at all times. They could loan out all your money, 90% of it. So you put in $100, bank loans it out to somebody else, $90. So there, boom, you only got $10 in the bank technically, even though the bank is telling you it's crediting you for $100. There's physically only $10 in the bank for you. So when you ask, you know, I want my $100 out of the bank, then the bank has to then take money out of somebody else's account, transfer it over to answer with your draw, and then they have this whole balance and checking system to try to keep everything going. It's the same. It's like a Ponzi. It is like a Ponzi. The whole banking system's like a Ponzi. So just bear that in mind. The lawsuit against Cuban follows a $258 million suit against Tesla CEO Elon Musk in June. Remember, Elon Musk is also being sued for crypto, in which a Dogecoin investor accused him of running a pyramid scheme. It's going to be interesting to see how this all plays out, guys. Like I said, I'm still bullish on crypto, especially Bitcoin. I'm not going to say I'm going to be sit here and say I'm bullish on every crypto out there, because obviously I believe probably about 90% of all the crypto that exists right now will either die, fail, dwindle away, whatever, become crypto dust, and then only the strong will survive. So let me know what you guys think. Curious to know your thoughts. Thank you for the likes. Thanks for helping out. First time chatter, what's up? Nada Winlum. Hi Nero, welcome. Thank you for joining. All right, we got some tokens you look like you guys want me to look at. We got Zill. Zill is one I've been keeping my eyes on. We got Crow. Okay. What else? Oh, by the way, Tomkey. I don't know if it's working. It doesn't look like it's working, but I tried to get captions. Here, let me I tried to use the captions, but not sure if it's working. This is the app I'm using, the Stream CC Goosemon. It's showing here that it's reading my captions, but I don't know if it's actually sending it to my live stream. I tried to follow all the instructions. YouTube might have closed captions, but it looks like that's unavailable as of now while I'm live, but that should become available after live. So Tomkey, or those that want to watch my videos, you could always watch the playbacks on YouTube, and they should have closed captions. That if they don't, let me know. I'm still in the process of trying to get closed captions to work on my live stream. So check Flux. All right, I'll check Flux. What else we got? Ape13. What's AP13 token? That's a new one. I haven't heard that one. App13. SNM. I think somebody mentioned that the other day. Can you look up Woo? Woo? W-O-O? B-A-L? Okay. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to all those from all around the world. Yeah, buddy. Check Flux. Alright, let's take a look here what we got. Done with the Mark Cuban lawsuit. Ethereum did almost hit $2,000. The merge date is set, guys. September 15th, guys. Yeah, Vitalik Buterin just said Ethereum has set its terminal total difficulty, which predicts the merge to proof of stake to happen on September 15th of 2022. So we have the official date, guys. It's going to be interesting to see what happens with the price of Ethereum. Obviously, I think we're going to see a lot of excitement, as we already have been seeing already with Ethereum. We could maybe see it go well over 2,000, 2,500 maybe. I don't think it's going to go much higher than that, though, just because we're still in a bear market, which I'll be going into more details later, because some other YouTubers and big guys, big investors are calling tops here now. Some of them are saying that, you know, we probably see Bitcoin maybe go to 25K, which it already has hit 25K. Some are saying it's going to hit 28K. Some are saying 32K, but then it's going to go back down. So, and I kind of believe that guy. I think we'll probably see a bottoming in 2023. I think there'll be more bad news to come, especially with all the uncertainties and stuff going on right now in the world markets, with world all the, what do you call it? Political world issues are happening, you know, China, United States, Russia-Ukraine war, all that crap. So we'll definitely be looking in more details. But let's go ahead and start looking in, digging in on some of these. First one, somebody mentioned Zilliqa. This is a kind of a competitor to Ethereum, but a very smaller cap version of it. To like Ethereum, Solana, they got their own blockchain that they forked off from Ethereum. Looks like they also got a Binance Smart Chain contract as well. The market cap is only $617 million. We can scroll here. You see the charts. This thing has gone up to 20 cents in the past, even higher than that, 25 cents. We saw it hit 18 cents there. So it does have some overall, some movements, and it's down right now 4 pennies, almost 5 pennies here. Maybe possibly a good long-term hold. We'll see. Let's see what the comments say here. There's a bearish comment here. Anytime now, it's already at the doorstep. Now just need trap door to open, and it's rec time for late longs and FOMOs who keep desaying in. Okay, yeah. I mean, he pointed out the market cycle, which, yeah, I agree with. Market cycles here. I think we're still in. Let's go ahead and pull up the market cycle. The psychology of market cycle. Of the market cycle. This is it right here, folks. Which one are we at, guys? Which one? I actually think we are. I think we're in denial right now. I think that's where we're at, to be honest. I don't think the real panic has happened yet, and the capitulation hasn't really happened yet. I think we did see capitulation, but people are buying the dip. I think the dip, this is what we saw here. This was the dip. That was the 17K. It's probably going to run up to 25, which we already saw. Maybe 32K before going back down. I don't think it's going to go this crazy low, though. I think Bitcoin will probably drop to like, I don't know, 13K, 15K, around that range at the very low. Probably won't even go that low. It might only go to like 20K or 18K, and then it'll trade sideways for a little while, and then it'll go down to like maybe 17K or 15K again. And that would be the time to buy. That's when everybody's mad, upset, depressed, just not believing in anything, and that's when the cycle starts over. My guess would probably be, this would probably be what 2024 is going to look like right here. This is going to be like 2023. Towards the end of 2022, beginning of 2023. That's just my beliefs. That's what I believe. Just because I believe it doesn't mean you should. You guys should always do your own research. What else we got here, guys? Somebody's mentioned some NFTs. Kibatsu Mecha NFT. Kibatsu Mecha NFT. Okay. Doodles NFT, I've heard that. That one's a popular one. Who's Mark Cuban? Mark Cuban is the owner of the Dallas Mavericks. He's a multi-billionaire. This is him right here. American billionaire, entrepreneur, television personality, and media proprietor. He's worth like $5 billion. He's rich and famous. Everybody knows him, especially in the United States. But yeah, he is being sued for partnering with Voyager and trying to get people to use Voyager app, which turned out to be a Ponzi scheme. It turned, Voyager ended up filing bankruptcy, and people can't get their money back because people were making deposits and they were loaning out those deposits to other people, just like any traditional bank does, believe it or not. And it imploded. They had a bank run, and now they can't get their money back, and now they filed bankruptcy. They basically over-leveraged. A lot of it had to do with them. They were using people's money and reinvesting them and loaning them out to giving out other loans, but they were also investing. I'm pretty sure they were probably one of the Terra Luna victims. They probably over-leveraged, had too much money in Terra Luna, and when it collapsed, it imploded, just kind of like how... what's that other? Three Arrows Capital did. They way over leveraged in Terra Luna, and they lost billions, and they disappeared with everybody's money. Yep, Javi coffee. I actually don't have any coffee in front of me today. I'm not drinking any coffee today. I'm taking a break of coffee for today. just today, guys. I couldn't. I've been the last 2 nights. I haven't been getting much sleep, so I feel like I need to just lay off the caffeine. Maybe that'll help me sleep better at night. So no coffee today. Just water. Just drinking lots of water. Good day to everyone. What's up, guys? Thank you guys for tuning in. Like and sub. Make sure you guys do like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Cardano's a good one, guys. I actually like Cardano. I wish they would get listed on Robinhood. I would actually get in heavy on Cardano. You guys are probably wondering, why are you using Robinhood? Well, Robinhood's is actually a very large, even though it doesn't have the best reputation, it does have its lawsuits and so forth. But it makes it very easy when it comes to filing taxes. It keeps track of all your trades. I know some exchanges like Binance could do that too, but I don't have full access to Binance. I got Binance.us. But there's a lot of uncertainty with crypto exchanges right now, so that's part of the reason why I'm kind of sticking with like stock exchanges, because they are FDIC insured. They're pretty big. They got billions of dollars in capital, so that's the reason why I'm kind of staying in this. Now, this isn't the only place I keep my crypto, guys. I do have cold storage. I also have hot wallets where I do keep some tokens as well. I don't keep them all in one place, and you shouldn't either. Try to diversify your portfolios as much as possible, so that way if you do end up becoming like a Voyager victim where you lose. See, that's the thing, is people should have not been putting hundreds of thousands of dollars on one application. Especially with a crypto app, you're basically you're not even holding those keys. You're I don't know, Voyager app, I think they do have a wallet where you do hold the keys or whatever, but anyways, so what I'm saying is don't trust people with all your money. Only give them a little bit, don't give them all of it. So that's my point of the story. But yeah, these are the cryptos that I'm holding right now on Robinhood. I got XLM, I got AVAX, Litecoin, Uniswap, Matic, SHIB, Link, Solana. I got Doge, Ethereum, and of course Bitcoin. These are the two I'm heaviest on, Bitcoin and Ethereum. I think those are the two less risky, and then I put a few $100 in these other ones, and then I will add more as time goes on, especially if they come down in price. I will lower my averages down and hold for the long term. And then these are just stocks. These are my short-term play stocks that I've been playing with, which I'll probably get into more detail about the day trading and the stocks definitely on my other channel, Deegan Lifer. Like I said, I'm going to be spending some more time on my other channels. I haven't made my formal announcement yet, at least not to you guys yet, but I will be starting next week, going down to streaming just 2 days a week instead of 3 days. I want to be able to spend more time focusing on my other channels and growing my other channels. I think now would be a good time to do that, especially now that the demand for my channel actually has kind of been down recently. So focus on building some other channels, and we'll be still going live 2 days a week. Next week we will not be streaming on Wednesday. We will only be streaming on Monday and Friday, and then a week after that, and then continue on. We'll actually change our streaming days to Mondays and Thursdays, which I'll send more details in our Telegram group. Oh, by the way, I don't know if you guys noticed, I've been getting some cyberbullied attacks on me ever since I made this post on Twitter about how, let me show you guys this. So yeah, I made a tweet, somebody posted, this is on AP Fact Check, they're talking about presidential elections and fraud and people not believing in the voting election turnouts. Well, I said, why don't we just all do our voting on the blockchain? It's open source and it's irreversible, so anybody can count them, anybody can verify them. I can count them myself, and I can count all the votes myself. Well, I don't know, I must piss somebody off, who knows, but apparently somebody started spamming my account, accusing me of being a scam and fraud and blah blah blah. So yeah, and they've been trying to attack like all my networks too. So just watch out, guys. Obviously, you're always going to be having to deal with these type of people, especially when you start saying controversial stuff like that. I guess I don't know. Well, somebody's out to get me. That's for sure. Let's see what else. Oh yeah, forgot we got Tornado Cash. Just mentioned Tornado Cash. Remember, it got banned in the United States earlier this week. Now Tornado's Cash channel keeps disappearing in wake of Treasury bans. So yeah, they lost their Discord. Their Discord has been closed down. I believe their Telegram is still available, but Discord and a lot of their social medias are getting shut down. Which you guys all know, the reason why Tornado Cash is getting shut down is because people were using it to launder money. It was very easy for anybody using crypto to use the smart contract, and it doesn't leave a trace of the transactions or whatever. It's a privacy contract that was developed, and those developers are now getting in trouble. Apparently, so Tornado Cash Discord server deleted, end of its service. But also news, guys, I also got some more news on Tornado Cash. One of their developers, co-founders, got arrested. Just in, Netherlands authorities arrest suspected Tornado Cash developer. Yeah, guys, that's crazy list. Alleged Tornado Cash developer arrested in the Netherlands. This is on watcher.guru. Make sure, give him the credit. You know, I've been getting a lot of the info from them. They do a very good job on letting you know when things are happening like that, very quick. Amidst the bear market, yeah, go, blah, blah, blah. We know about Tornado. I want to know who it was, though. Yeah, U.S. government slapped it with the OFAC sanctions. Dutch authorities commenced their investigation back in June 2022. Financial Advanced Cyber Team, the FACT, and the FIOD has been overseeing the Tornado Cash case ever since. Facts suspect that through Tornado Cash has been used to conceal large-scale criminal money flows, including from online thefts of cryptocurrencies, so-called crypto hacks, and scams. These include funds stolen through hacks by a group believed to be associated with North Korea. I think that's what really put this on the radar, on U.S. radars, because they started using it, like United States enemies are starting to use it now. So yeah, they're shutting it down, and people are getting arrested for, developing it. I don't know. I don't think they should be getting arrested, though. It's not like they're the ones committing the fraud. They just create a smart contract that's open source for anybody to use. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Let me get back to looking at some of these tokens you guys were mentioning here before I get into more news. We already talked about Zilliqa. My desktop looks like you guys are having some lagging issues. Yeah, I am too. I think it's a global thing. I think the internets are just lagging, or it could just be Twitch in general. If you're having issues with Twitch, check out YouTube. Keeps lagging. Maybe it's because I have my UNFI. I'll check that out. Maybe it's because I have this captions app on. This is the reason why I hate trying to install all these apps, because it slows everything down. What is this? Are you also giving giveaway, Dapp? No, I'm not doing any giveaways at this time. Yeah, let me stop this caption thing. Maybe that's the reason why. We'll exit out of that. It wasn't working anyways, it doesn't look like, so we tried. All right, here we go. I got a video here I would like to show you guys, and then we'll start looking more at these tokens here that you guys mentioned. So this is Alex Becker's channel. He's got 1.3 million subscribers. He's also got millions of dollars. He's a big investor and trader, and he is saying he is selling everything, guys. He's going to be selling all his crypto and stocks. Get out now. Let's hear what he has to say.
I also think there's a chance coming up right here to make a comical, stupid 10, 20x's on a lot of coins that I'm going to show you in this video as well. But the point,
cool.
It's coming off right now.
Here, I'm going to fast forward it here.
I'm trying to get in at a good time and leave at a pretty much good time. AKA, leave 80% of the way up with all my profits instead of
He's saying S&P is getting close to the top. He thinks Bitcoin's close to the top too.
I'm going to use crypto charts for the rest of this video instead of the S&P, which I'm super duper focused on the S&P here. So, at this time, what I expected to happen.
This is what I was saying, guys, to you guys.
Just to kind of grind for the rest of the year. I thought this was somewhere near the bottom, but I thought we were going to go a little bit lower. Maybe an $800, low $800 ETH, maybe $700. And I thought we were just going to diddle-daddle around for the rest of the year. Same thing with the S&P 500. I just bought right here, and I had not
Nobody expected this. Nobody expected that. That's why they say you cannot time the markets.
It was all just about diving in at really good prices and then DCAing for the rest of the time because these prices were
everybody was bearish at that time.
And we're only 4% off the top of the S&P 500 at this point. We're getting really heated up right here. So at this time right here, I was doing that. Now I was really expecting this to happen. Okay? And this is what I think is happening right here. If we go look at the Bitcoin charts right here, and we zoom back into 2017, 2018, you can see we cratered, and then we had this really big rally right here. Everyone was declaring bull runs back on. Oh my gosh, it's incredible. This stuff. This is what I think is happening.
I don't know what to say, guys. This is what I think is happening
bar none. Okay, I didn't expect it to be.
I installed that application for closed captions, and I think it's messing up my connection here.
Back to our last bottom, it's a lot of money. I'll be losing a lot of money. I'm not willing to do that. I'm putting this back in nice, safe, yielding investments.
Yes,
I don't want to play around. I'm not looking to juice around right here. And so what I think is about to happen is this. Okay, I think Bitcoin is going to go to probably $28,000, maybe $32,000. It could also top out right here at $25.50. I see a lot of smart people pointing that out. My personal opinion is we're going to grind back up to 28,000, and I think everybody's going to short at 28,000, and then we're going to pump to like 32,000, and then I think we're going right back down. I think we're going right back down to 18, 17,000.
Yeah, it must be my internet.
And more importantly to me,
great. Well, that stinks. Yeah, maybe I could restart it. Don't really need to, though. Don't really want to. Is it working now? Where's your coffee? Dang. Yeah, guys, I don't know what to say. Hopefully it starts working better. I'm trying to, yeah, it's saying it's unstable right now. Extensions, my extensions. Stream CC, we're gonna go ahead and uninstall you. So I tried to do an extension. Maybe that's the reason why. On my end, it looks like it's getting better. Is it better yet? But yep. Okay. Cool. All right. I think it was that. It was that. CC closed captions app. They don't freaking work. They just slow things down. All right. So, where were we? What were we talking about? Oh yeah. I do got something to talk about. Here we go. I'm gonna record this. This is gonna be on our Deegan Lifer. Actually, before we do all of that, let's go ahead and let's get back on the chats here. Let's look at some of these coins. CRO, somebody mentioned Chronos. Crypto.com is down. Market cap is $3.8 billion. I don't know, guys. This could, this is like investing in Voyager. I mean, or Coinbase. Who knows? See, somebody mentioned bearish. Out of funds, save the last of your money and take it out of the centralized exchange. The card rewards are really low now. It's not worth the risk. Vanish by 2024. That's what people are saying here in a bearish chat. I can get more interest from a regular centralized bank who gives me 3% back on everything I buy. So who in their right mind would use a prepaid top-up card offering less, which you then have a hassle paying for things due to thickness of it? It rarely works. Yeah. That person's from the UK. So obviously you got some bearish news. You also got some bullish news. So keep that in mind as well. This is a layer 2. There's like 3 tiers of crypto. You got tier 1, which is like Bitcoin, Ethereum. They're the platforms that all their cryptos can be built on. And then you got the tier 2s, which is your exchange cryptos. This would be considered a tier 2, which they don't have that much functionality, but they do serve some, or at least they should have some utility to them. And then there's the tier 3. Those are your meme coins. Those are the ones that have little to no utility at all. They're all just hype. A lot of them can be scams, so you have to be careful of the tier 3 ones for sure. What else we got? We got Flux. Somebody mentioned Flux. I don't think this one's been mentioned on the channel yet. This one's up 23% today. It's trading at 92 cents. You got a market cap of just $237 million. Yeah, look at that. That thing is really bounced back up. Wow, you guys could have got this down for 40 cents. It's now at 92 cents. Ready for me to call Google Fiber yet? Soon. Probably. It wasn't that, though. It was because of that. I think it was because of that extension, app extension that I had. But I am probably gonna be making changes to my internet provider here pretty soon, for sure. Getting rid of the cable and just going Google and stream, save some money. Oh, it's lagging again. You look good with a smile. Thanks. Where's the crystal ball? I got it right here, guys. Got the crystal ball. It's telling me that we are probably going to go up a little bit more this year before going back down. But the crystal ball isn't right all the time. Getting back to Flux here. You guys can get Flux, Gate.io, Binance, and KuCoin. Oh, it's also on Binance.us. Interesting. Don't know much about this project though. Stereotech mineable. It's proof of work. Interesting. Means it's kind of like Bitcoin or Ethereum, right? Be interesting to see what this does in the future. Crypto doesn't get fully canceled. We also got somebody mentioned AP13. I don't know what AP13 is. I can't find it. AP13 crypto? Oh, API3. API3. That's it. Here it is, right here. This is it. API3. I was reading it wrong. So it's up 14% today. It's trading at $2.41. You got market cap of just $136 million. I do like where the market cap is. 100 million market cap. You know, think about 10x going to go to $1 billion, like a lot of cryptos have done in the past. That's what you'd like to see. Market caps, Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Huobi Global. Yeah, buddy. And then we got SNM, SNM. Trading out 11 cents today, guys. Market cap, this one's only $5 million. This one's got a really low market cap. Not much action. We did see it pump here in 2021. Just for a short period of time, though. This is a very small market cap. It is listed on Binance, though. You can trade it for Bitcoin. That's it. That's SNM. We also got WOO. The Woo Network. WOO Network. I don't know if we've talked about this one yet on the channel. It's better now. Thank you guys. Like I said, we'll try and get the stream conditions better. I could always use better internet, of course, especially if this continues to happen. I heard ETH is on the rise. It is. They got their merge coming up on September 15th this year. So I would expect, as long as Bitcoin keeps rallying, ETH is going to rally too. It's going to rally pretty hard before then. And then it's probably going to dump after the merge. It's going to be the buy the rumor, sell the news. Always happens, guys. It always happens. It seems like. Alright, we got the music going back up. Here's the WOO. No, obviously everything's down this year. Market cap, Binance, KuCoin, Huobi Global. Those are the markets. Yeah, market cap's 269 million. So it's a centralized exchange. I actually never used it. WOO. Alright, we got Balancer. I don't think we covered this one either. This one's up 14% today. It's trading at $7.38. Market cap is $315 million. I like that. It's got all of this information here. That's really good. It means they got their crap together. And holy smokes! Look at that, guys. Thing just ran up today. Pumped it up. They went from $6.50 to almost $8 in one day. Interesting. Looking at all-time highs, it is still rather low from where it was. And you guys can get this also on Binance. It's also on Coinbase, Huobi Global, and FTX. Another exchange, guys. This is a decentralized exchange. Let's see if we can pull it up. Balancer.finance. Balancer.fi. Oh yeah, I have heard of this before. Got plenty of those swap exchanges and DEX exchanges out there, right? Then we got TRB. This is Teller. Update on March 2021. That was a long time ago. Teller token has migrated to its new smart contract. Okay, so they did a migration a long time ago. Well, market cap is only $67 million down. It's actually up almost 12% today, trading at $39.54. It's actually been going on a nice run here. It was trading at $10 at the bottom. It's been running hard. This is Teller. You guys can trade this also on Binance and Coinbase, Huobi Global, and KuCoin. There's Teller. Decentralized Oracle Protocol. Yay, decentralized. Meaning no KYCs. Probably going to be another Tornado Cash in the future. Just kidding. Just kidding. Now we got some NFTs to look at. We got Kibatsu Mecha NFT. See what this is got all in store here. These are the NFTs here. Go to their Twitter. Give them a follow. We got 29,000 followers. I guess they got a game coming out? I can't tell. What is this? Mikado's Melons? Looks like definitely based out of Asia, or Japan. Can't tell if that's Chinese, Japanese, or Korean. That's the artwork, guys. That's what people are paying hundreds of thousands of dollars for. No, I'm just kidding. At least not for these ones. I don't know. I don't know how much these ones are going for. We could look on their OpenSea though. Here's their OpenSea collection. Let's see what they are trading at. Floor price 0.1 ETH. Oh yeah, they're trading for 0.1, 0.11, 0.12. So that's where you guys could get these beautiful NFTs. Place your bets. I guess they have like a casino that's coming out. Oh, metaverse casinos. I guess there was a few metaverse casinos that turned out to be scams. So make sure you guys do your research on those. Doodles NFT. I know these are pretty popular. Here's the collection on OpenSea. These are ones that are going really. These are ones that are expensive, guys. These are one of the top NFT projects. These are going for 8 ETH, guys. That's a lot of money. $10,000, $20,000 for these guys. People are paying $10,000+ for these. Holy smokes. That is insane. Definitely insane. You guys are joking, right? Check Tether. Did it get depegged? That's the only time you should worry about checking it, is if it's getting depegged from the US dollar. Because if that's happened, then you better get out of crypto, because it is all going to come down. Nope, it's straight. It is right on $1, guys. Right on $1. Nothing to worry about. Even though it actually has gone down from where it was. It was trading a fraction a little higher than $1. Looks like somebody did take some money off. Market cap has been dropping, guys. USDT market cap has been dropping, which is actually a good sign. If the total market cap of the whole market cap of crypto is going up and the market cap of Tether is going down, that means people are actually buying more crypto and holding less USDT. So that actually might be a good sign, kinda. That we might see a run here or something. That could be a sign, guys. Let me pull up the 7-day here. Yeah, I mean, let's see, the last 3 months. I mean, we're looking at price. We probably should be looking at market cap. Yeah, market cap's down. That was from the bear market. In fact, we did see price of Bitcoin falling down after this, but then we saw a bunch of USDT fall off as well. That's kind of scary. YouTube seems to be working much better, so that's good. You look at Cody, we could. COTI. You stopped playing Bet Fury? I have, actually. Yeah. I'm afraid that they might, Bet Fury might, not that it's going to get canceled, but, I mean, it might. We'll see. YouTube seems to be working better, guys. So if you're guys still having issues on Twitch, just go ahead and move it over to XRP, bro. Oh yeah, we'll check XRP. Move over to YouTube. All right. We also got somebody mentioned ADA, Cardano, trading at 53 cents. Market cap is $18 billion. It is way down from where it was. It's crazy that, you know, you could have got this for like 5 cents not too long ago, just a few years ago, and you guys could have sold it for $3. Insane gains there, guys. Insane gains. You guys could trade this anywhere. I'm gonna wait and see. I would love to see it get listed on Robinhood. It's definitely due for. It looks like it's definitely leveling out here. Maybe we see it pump. We'll see. Especially if Bitcoin continues to pump. I think it'll follow. Unified Protocol DAO. UNFI, $12.29, up 11% today. Market cap is $55 million. Binance, Coinbase, KuCoin, Gate.io, Huobi Global. Oh, this chart doesn't look too bad. At least that part there didn't, but it is down overall, guys, but this could be another, I mean, market cap is only 55 million. This could be a good long-term hold. It's on Coinbase. I'm gonna actually mark this. I don't know, we'll keep an eye on this one. Unified Protocol. All right, we got Cody. COTI, 12 cents, down on 1% today. Market cap is just 134 million. I'm liking that you guys are sending me these lower cap gems to look at. Again, this could be another potentially good long-term hold. It's listed on Binance, KuCoin, and Coinbase. Coinbase has been listing a lot of tokens now. The ultimate power grid of payments. In an era of everything digital, currency remains outdated. Currently, it's cheaper to pay in cash than to use banks, PayPal, Alipay, and the like. Cody is the first enterprise-grade fintech platform that empowers organizations to build their own payment solution and digitize any currency to save time and money. Cool. They have a wallet. Another wallet app. And then we also got XRP. Saving the best for last, right? What's the newest token did you invest? That's a good question. I like that you guys are giving me buffering symbols. I know it's not looking. Redbox is a good token. That's not. Redbox has got delisted, guys. It's officially been absorbed by Chicken Soul for the Soup. You guys can't even trade RDBX anymore. XRP is trading at 37 cents. Market cap $18 billion. Same as Cardano. And price is way down, guys. Way down. Still waiting on the results of the XRP lawsuit. Be interesting to see how that all turns out. That could definitely make or break the crypto world for sure. Thank you, guys. Mine isn't that like that. The only play I've made crypto-wise, other than I added a few on Robinhood. Good, my prices are going back up. That's good. I did add XLM because they just got listed on Robinhood, and AVAX, Avalanche. I added those two. Those are the most recent moves I made trade-wise, buying long-term cryptos. I think we could see Bitcoin run up 25K, maybe 28, maybe 30K. We'll see. But I don't think the bottom's in yet. I really don't think we've hit the bottom. I think we'll go like that, 2023, and then it goes back up. So yeah, guys, unfortunately, we're going to have to wait. We're going to have to wait a little bit. It is unfortunate. Oh, God, I don't even want to watch this anymore. So, yeah, buddy. I'm going to close out of these. Hopefully that will help speed up my connection here.